Madhuri Dixit is one of the leading actresses of Bollywood film industry. She made a record to nominate 14 times for the Filmfare Award for Best Actress. She is also one of the most nominated actress in the category of acting, having 16 nominations. Check out Madhuri Dixit Wikipedia, height, weight, age, family, husband, biography, facts and more. Biography. She was born as Madhuri Shankar Dixit on 15 May 1967 in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Her zodiac sign is Taurus. She is popularly called as Dhak Dhak Girl. She got this name after the song Dhak Dhak Karne Laga from the film Beta released. She is also known as the Queen of Expressions. At the age of just 3, she started learning Kathak dance and is now a professional Kathak dancer. She joined the entertainment industry at a very young age and achieved huge success within a few years of her career beginning. In 2008, she was honored with the Padma Shri Award by the Government of India. Physical appearance. She is well known for her flawless beauty, stylish looks, and awesome face expression. She is approximately 5 foot tall and weighs around 60 kgs. She has brown eyes and black hair. Family. She was born in middle-class Marathi Brahmin family to late Shankar Dixit and Snehalata Dixit. She has a brother Ajit Dixit and has two sisters Rupa Dixit and Bharati Dixit. She is Hindu by religion. On 17 October 1999, she got married to a cardiovascular surgeon, Shriram Madhav Nene. The couple has two sons, Rayan Nene and Aryan Nene. Career. She did her schooling at Divine Child High School, Mumbai. After schooling, she was enrolled in Parle College, Mumbai for further studies. But she dropped out to college to work as full-time actress. She then started her acting career in 1984 by playing the lead role of Gauri in the Bollywood film Abod. She received her first Filmfare Award for Best Actress in 1990 for the film Dil, in which she played the lead role of Madhu Mehra opposite to Amir Khan. She also cast in a TV show in 1984. But the show did not go on air because it was considered not good enough. Apart from that, she did numerous hit films like Tezab, Ram Lakhan, Sajan, Beta, Khalnaik, Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, Raja, Dil To Pagal Hai, and etc. In 2002, she hosted the TV show Kahin Na Kahin Koi Hai that was aired on Sony TV. She is also a good singer and sang several songs like Kahe Chhed for film Devdas, Sonia Milja for film Aaja Nach Le, and Rangi Sari Gulabi for film Gulab Gang. She also judged some famous dance reality TV shows like Jhalak Dikhla Ja, So You Think You Can Dance, and Dance Diwane. In 2013, she started an online dance academy with the name Dance with Madhuri. Controversies. She used to promote the Maggi product by saying that it is healthy for kids. But in 2015, after the controversy of Maggi that MSG used in high amount, she was badly criticized for it. A district court directed police for registering an FIR for against her. Facts about Madhuri Dixit. She is a trained Kathak dancer. She never smokes nor drinks alcohol. M.F. Hussain, a renowned painter, called her the most beautiful woman on earth, and even a film, Gaja Gamini, in 2000, in which she was acted opposite to Shah Rukh Khan, was made as a tribute to her. She wore a ghagra weighing 30 kgs in the song Kahe Chhed Mohe for the film Devdas in 2002. She is a pure vegetarian and her favorite dishes are kandhe pohe and modak. Georgie Peck and Balraj Sahani are favorite actors, and Madhubala, Nargis, Ingrid Bergman and Meryl Streep are her favorite actresses. She likes to watch the dance of Hema Malini, Birju Maharaj, Helen and Jenny Kelly. She likes to read during her free time, and one of her favorite books is A Quiver Full of Arrows by Jeffrey Archer. Her favorite color is orange. She loves to visit her holidays in the Maldives. Her favorite sport is tennis. She mostly uses the perfume of Nini Riki. She is trained in Taekwondo martial art. She has fear of cockroaches. She has a SUV car. She gets paid 3 to 4 crore per film and her net worth is around 35 million. In 2014, she was appointed the Goodwill Ambassador of UNICEF in India. If she is not an actress, then she would have been a pathologist or a microbiologist.